Hello and welcome to day 2 of the 30-day Yoga and Pilates challenge. I'm Joana. Day 2, we're doing Pilates for strong core. Starting laying down on the mat, legs in tabletop position. We're gonna inhale through the nose for the count of 5. We're gonna exhale for the count of 5 while pulsing the arms up and down. Make sure your lower back is pressed against the mat, no pressure in your neck. Just inhale through the nose for the count of 5 and exhale for the count of 5. The fire breath in Pilates. We are doing 10 full rounds here. Active inhalation, active exhalation. Just a few more. And release, hug your knees. Extend the left leg, hug the right knee in. Inhale for 2, exhale for 2, switch legs. The single leg stretch. Inhale for 2, exhale for 2, switching the legs. And rest, hug both knees. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but this time both legs straight. Grab the leg as high as you can. Same breathing. Inhale for 2, exhale for 2 and switch. Inhale, exhale, switch. Keeping the legs as straight as possible. And rest. Nicely done. Now we're going to do the double leg stretch. Hug your knees. Inhale, extend legs and arms. Exhale, hug your knees. Inhale, extend. Exhale, grab your ankles. Inhale, extend. Exhale. Make sure your lower back is pressed against the mat. Inhale, open. Exhale, knees to face. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Few more. Inhale, exhale, and release. Nicely done. Now we're going to combine 2 exercises in one. Exhale and lift into the teaser, and now we're going to hold into the boat. Make sure your back is straight, so no arching the lower back. Engage your core. You can even add a little rounding the back just to make sure your abs are engaged. Hold here and breathe. Just keep breathing and stay here. Find the balance and slowly now roll down one vertebra at a time. Inhale, and now with exhale we're lifting into the teaser and holding the boat. Hold and breathe. Core is engaged, lower back is straight. and we are breathing. Now slowly roll down. We're going to repeat a few more times. Inhale, and with exhale, lift and hold. Stay here. A few more seconds. And release. Inhale here, exhale, lift and hold. And now a challenge, extend the legs and hold here with straight legs. And release. Nicely done. Okay, moving to the next exercise. Sitting nice and straight. We're gonna exhale and we're gonna curve the spine, rounding the spine back. So exhale, drop down and round the spine. Inhale up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, grow up. Exhale and inhale. This is the C crunches. So we are exhaling, we are crunching back, rounding the spine, rounding the upper body, the upper back, sorry. Inhale up. And now adding a twist. So it's exhale, twist, inhale, lift up. Exhale, twist, inhale, lift up. We are alternating the sides. And nicely done. Okay, roll down one vertebra at a time. Nicely done, everyone. Now lay on your side. We're going to be doing side crunches with straight body. So legs are straight. Now we're going to simply crunch up, up, up. Small little pulses. Lifting the legs up. You should feel that in your obliques, the side ab muscles called obliques. And now rest. Now we're going to do side V raise. So we exhale and we lift into a V raise. Exhale, lift. Exhale, lift. Exhale, lift. Keeping the body as straight as possible. Straight arms, straight legs. And rest. Okay, nicely done. Now we're going to repeat same 2 moves on the other side. So rotate on the other side. And now crunches, lifting, pulsing the legs up and down. Feeling that in your obliques. And rest. Ready for the side V raise. Exhale, lift. Exhale, lift. Engage the abs. Make sure you're following my cues for the breathing, because the breathing helps here. It's super important to control your breath so you can control the movement here. Exhale, lift. Exhale, lift. and release. Okay, now lay down on your tummy. I'm gonna do some moves for the back. We want strong core and strong back. So lifting opposite arm and leg with control. Don't rush the movement. Lift and lift. No pressure in your neck, it's just lifting the arm and the leg. Glutes are helping lifting the leg, it's also lower back. Keep going. Just keep breathing, don't hold the breath. And now we're gonna go for a swim. It's fast pace. Legs and arms, squeezing the glutes. Keep breathing. And rest. It's time for this Superman lift. So arms to the side. And now from here, we're gonna inhale and lift the upper and the lower body. We're gonna hold and we're gonna lower down. Holding and release. And release. We're gonna do a few more. Make sure you're holding at the top, squeezing the glutes, engaging the back muscles, engaging the core properly. And again, no pressure in your neck, please. And release. Nicely done. Okay. Now for a very quick moment, we're gonna stretch in child's pose just to release the tension from the lower back. Lay on your back once again for our final ab move. It's gonna be the alphabet soup. So we're gonna use our legs, our toes for a brush, and we're gonna draw all the letters in the air, starting with A. Make sure your lower back is pressed against the mat and just keep drawing all the letters. Of course, you can use the English letters or the Bulgarian letters, or you can just draw numbers, write your name, but just keep going. We're gonna do this for a minute or two. You can support yourself with palms just underneath your hips. Make sure your lower back is pressed against the mat. And release. That was it. Day 2 is done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 3 and 15 minutes of yoga for hips opening. Can't wait for tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active.